Hey guys! If you're watching video on YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, or some other social network platform, and then, suddenly you decided to download any video in your device, but at this time, some people don't know how to download. So, if you're the one who don't know how to download video from YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, so, this video is for you guys. Because in this video I will tell you best app or way to download any particular video. But, before we start a video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because your support is big motivation to me. So let's get started. So if you're watching a video on YouTube and you want to download any video, just copy the video link and open Google Chrome. Type YouTube video download in search bar section. Then you guys can see savefrom.net website. Just open it. After that, paste your copy video link here. After pasting a link, downloader automatically find your video. After that, select video resolution and click download. In just few seconds or minutes your video will be downloaded. So, that's the first way. Now we move on to the next way. At the same, copy video link on YouTube, and then type YT1S from your browser search bar. On this site, you have 4 options to download. First, YouTube downloader. Second, YouTube to MP3. That's mean you can convert any video into MP3. And third, YouTube to MP4. And the last one is for Facebook users, that is Facebook downloader. For download a YouTube video, select first option, and then paste a video link in a search bar. And then click convert. After that, select video quality and click get link. And then click download button to download a video. So that's the way you can download a video from YouTube in your PC or phone. Now, we move on to the last way, that TubeMate. So if you don't know, TubeMate is fast and convenience video downloader for mobile devices. On this app, you guys can watch any YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and 13 more platforms videos. For download a video, just watch a video you like them, and then automatically you can see the download button. Or you can copy video links and paste into TubeMate search bar section and click search. After that, TubeMate find video automatically. Click to download button, select video quality and then click download. On this app very easily you can download any video, just simple step. For download a TubeMate app, link in the description box and website link also in description. So you can download or visit the site easily. I hope you guys loved it. If have any questions, comment below, I will try to solve them. So, if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thanks for watching.